Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are at number 112 Island Wall in Whitstable. Of course, if you know Whitstable well, you'll know that this is a prime location within the town, giving you wonderful views of the sea and a fantastic central location. Now, we've just started today's tour in the south-facing courtyard garden. Really nice amount of space, and it's low maintenance as well, so you can take in that sea view and go down to the beach without needing to worry about watering your plants or mowing the lawn. We've come in and take a look there at the kitchen, which is a really well appointed space and gives you a lovely amount of room to work with plenty of worktop space and storage space as well. Coming through into the first of two reception rooms here, you could quite easily use either or as a dining room or lounge. Coming through here into the second reception area, you can see that you've got the stairs there leading us up to the first floor, where we'll find two double bedrooms, and then of course further up to find ourselves taking a look at a loft room. Let's go upstairs now and take a look at the first of a few bedrooms and of course the family bathroom. So we're going to start with the bathroom just coming up here on the right hand side. You can see here bath and sink on the right hand side, frosted window to the rear, nice and light and bright and airy, and you've got the loo and the sink in on the left respectively. Coming back out and across, we're going to go through and take a look at the first of the two main bedrooms here. Wonderful amount of space with the window there just overlooking the courtyard, south facing of course to the rear. And then of course we'll go through and take a look at the next bedroom. Now the next bedroom you'll see has some absolutely stunning views right across the beach and to the seafront. So let's go through now into the front bedroom here, where you'll see all of that light coming in from the window, and of course you can see you've got a little bit of storage space already set up there for you either side of the old chimney breast. Just coming through and taking a look there through the window, you'll see there's absolutely stunning sea views right across the beach there, and what more could you want? A little view over the tennis courts, across the pavilion and across to the seafront. We'll go upstairs now where we'll take a look at the loft room, and on our way we'll start to recap a few points on the property. This is a prime island wall location property giving you two bedrooms, and we are mid-terraced. We've got beautiful sea views to the front, two double bedrooms and the loft room. We've got the lounge and separate dining room and that south-facing courtyard garden. It's also worth noting here that you have a feed-in tariff for your solar panels. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.